This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. I'm out driving my old 80 C10 with the old 5.7 diesel in her. So you don't see many of these. Actually, I don't know if there's hardly any around. I didn't see another one on the internet, but this is just if you want to have a diesel, very rare diesel. There's 78 to 80 5.7s. They weren't the best diesel in the world, but you gotta figure if this one's still going down the road, it can't be too bad. Otherwise, this is a good driving truck, so maybe it's just a toner truck. You rip the diesel out in the cranny and put an LS in it. Got a good body. If you look at the video, it's been painted. The interior needs a little work, but that's pretty cheap, so you know, it might be just a body candidate. So, but it does run and drive the way it is. We sell all our diesels as is, as we do not deal in diesels. So buy it that way. But it does, you can see the video of it running. It does run and drive good, actually. So you can get on her. She gives a little black smoke. So it's a one family owned truck from out in Washington. So pretty solid old truck. Any questions? 605-695-7391.